Hello traders, it's your one and only Forex Q coach Team Legend, and I'm super excited having you guys here today on this. This is me trying to show you guys how to still use this strategy in your crash 500 markets. So you can use this both on the boom and crash 1000 and also 500 markets, because I got some questions from traders who were asking me, team, can this work for the crash 500 and boom 500? And I want to tell you, yes. You just have to follow strict rules. Strict rules. That's what you need to follow, and you see yourself winning with this in this market. So you need to pay close attention to everything that I'm going to explain right now to you, on how to use this strategy properly. If you notice, all the strategies I've posted within the past few days and week, is been on this particular strategy, because I want to teach you guys how to use a strategy, how to make it even get stronger and stronger. All right, when I post a strategy, I'm going to make subsequent videos on how to use that strategy even much more well and better before I change a new strategy. And take note, me changing a new strategy doesn't mean you should change a strategy. No, I'm only changing a strategy because some people might still find it difficult using that particular strategy. So I give them a new strategy that they can try out and see if it might be easier for them. All right, so if you find this strategy working for you, I advise that you stick to it and keep applying the rules that it needs, so that you continue to strengthen your strategy. There is nothing better than having a strategy that works for you and you keep using it to win. Trader, as long as you're winning, that is the fact. All right, it's not about using one strategy or the other. One strategy, no. As long as you have a winning strategy that gives you the money you're trading for, trader, keep using it and keep winning. So that's why you should notice what I've been doing lately. I've been posting videos about this same strategy. Instead of me posting new strategies, you notice that I'm even strengthening the strategy much more. If you notice the very first video of this strategy, there was no indicator on the main chart, if you notice, but of recent I just had to add these ones because I needed to strengthen the strategy much more. All right, so please, if you are enjoying this content right now, please could you do me a favor and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe, because in this channel I'll be posting winning strategies to win, not just in the boom and crash markets, also in the volatility index market and also in the forex currency pair markets. I'll be posting those for you guys, because I've noticed that a lot of my traders also trade the currency pairs, and they've been asking me for ways to win in the currency pair market. So I'll be posting those for you guys so that you all keep winning. All right, and lastly, this November is the last month we're going to be giving VIP signals. So that means there's no VIP signal for December. We're stopping the VIP signals for just this month, November, because we are trying to plan and arrange things ahead for you guys. We want to work out things for you guys for the upcoming year 2022. So we want to have enough time and focus on the things we want to arrange in the Bullish Bay Academy that is going to benefit each and every one of you guys. So that is why you want to make sure that you join my Telegram channel right now, because that's where I give latest updates and you don't want to miss any of those. So within December, when we are not going to be giving any VIP signals, I'll be giving free signals in the general channel. So you want to make sure you are in the general channel. So go straight to the description below and join my Telegram general channel, right? So that you be part of those to enjoy the free signals that I'll be giving out by December. All right, so let's get straight into the business. Now, there's one mistake that traders are making, and that is taking trades at the wrong time. Taking trades at the wrong time. So I want to correct that right now. So a lot of traders, when they see the moving averages below price, when they see the moving averages below price, they're forcing themselves to sell because it's the crash 500. They want to catch spikes. How would you want to catch spikes to the downside when you have the moving averages below price? You don't want to make that mistake. you need to you should only take your sell when you notice the moving averages above price. I told you guys that the moving averages are serving as support and resistance on your main chart. Okay, so if your moving average is below price, it means it's supporting price to the upside, and you don't want to take that kind of a risky trade. So you only want to trade when you see the moving averages above price. Okay, so what you notice is that price will go up, touch any of the moving averages, and do what? Move to the downside. All right, that's how it works. That's the rule you must follow. I know there might be some spikes, yes, but you should not risk your hard-earned money gambling in this market. That is why I said you have to follow strict rules. Okay, so you should only look for opportunities to sell when you notice the moving averages above price. Like for instance, here we had the moving average go above price, and price was below it. All right, and price kept going down until it kept crossing all the moving averages to the downside. But because the pressure of the sellers is not strong enough, that's why it is unable to go continuously. All right, now you see the bulls pushing back up, and all the moving averages now have aligned below price. This is for you to know that the bulls are more in power in the market currently. I told you guys that the first thing you always want to ask yourself is how to know who is in power, and I said that was going to be the next video I'm going to post for you guys to know who is in power in the markets. All right, so I'm gonna make sure that I post that video next after this one. I just needed to bring this one out now because I got a lot of questions from traders who are telling me, team, where is the right time to take trades? Okay, so that's why I had to make this video for you guys right now. So be expecting the next video, how to know who is in power in the market, so that you know what to look out for, if you should be selling or if you should be buying in the market. All right, please, if you know you're enjoying this content right now, do me a favor and hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so now now that I've told you what to do on the main chart, you only want to look for buying opportunities when you see the moving averages below price. Okay, and selling opportunities when you see the moving averages above price. All right, so if you're the type that just wants to catch only spikes, then what I anticipate you doing right now is nothing else but wait. You want to wait, and if left to me, my anticipation, according to my analysis, because I don't use just indicators when trading, you guys know me already, I use price action even much more than my indicators. So with my analysis, I'm anticipating price to get to this upside right now. Okay, I'm anticipating price to move to the upside and then give me the spike to the downside. All right, and then the spike will begin. That is what I'm anticipating for now. So I have to be patient if I want to catch spikes. But if you want to catch candlesticks, then you also want to look forward to buying till price gets somewhere around here. Okay, in the upcoming November training, boom and crash training, I'm going to teach you guys how to trade the boom and crash market without fear, without the fear of spike. When price is in an upside, I will teach you how to trade it without fear of spikes. So you have a lot to learn for those who wants to learn how to trade the boom and crash market profitably. So make sure you don't miss that training. Join my Telegram channel right now and get details on how to register and join. So on your indicator window 2, on your indicator window 1, I mean to say, you only want to catch spikes, all right, when you notice price below any of these lines, or when it gets here below. So you want to catch spikes when you see price like this, all right, then you want to set for spikes so that it will spike from here to the downside. All right, the same thing applies to this zone. You only want to catch spike when it's at resistance, so that you can do what? Sell to the downside. That is what you want to always do. All right, so if you notice right now, the spikes are still taking place, but the sellers are not fully in power. So there's no need to be afraid. You have to be patient till you see the sellers give you enough pressure. So this is one reason why a lot of traders fall for fake outs easily. because they don't know who is really in power, because it's only those that are in power will be able to push the market to the proper direction, but those who are weak will only give you fake outs. Okay, you think that you sometimes you just think that, oh, it's time to sell, it's time to sell, and then you see the bulls push up with full force after you've taken your trades and they hit your stop losses. That's because you fail to realize who is actually in power at that period of time. Okay, so don't worry, the next video I'm gonna make is to teach you guys exactly how to know who is in power in the markets. That's why you want to make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified. All right, so traders, I hope this short video is going to make sense to you guys and help you improve your skill with this strategy. Okay, and if you know you have any question, please leave it on the comment section below. All right, or chat me up on Telegram. My Telegram link is there below on the description. Chat me up. I'm always happy to answer questions of traders, and it gives me insight of what video to make next. Okay, for you guys, please take note the settings for this strategy, in case if this is your first time watching this strategy right now. The settings for this strategy is on the description below. Go straight to description below. All right, or I'm gonna leave the video. If you look on the top right now, you see it there. Click on it and then you'll be able to, it's gonna take you straight to the previous video so you can watch and get the settings of this strategy. All right.